Hello friends, in today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of WWE power couples. Ever wondered which WWE superstars are married to whom, how long they have been together, and the age gaps between them? Stick around us, we reveal the romantic details and surprising age differences of your favorite wrestling duos. You won't want to miss a single moment, so let's get started. Number 1. Kevin Owens. Kevin Owens married Karina Elias on February 18, 2007. The couple has been together for the past 17 years. As of 2024, Kevin Owens is 40 years old, while his wife Karina Elias is 36 years old, making the age gap between them 4 years. Number 2. Seth Rollins. Seth Rollins' wife is Becky Lynch. The exchange was on June 29, 2021. The couple has enjoyed 3 wonderful years together. In 2024, Seth Rollins is 38 years old, while Becky Lynch is 37, with just a 1-year age difference between them. Number 3. Sami Zayn. Sami Zayn is married to Khatija Sabi. They tied the knot on August 18, 2018 and have been together for 7 years. As of 2024, Sami Zayn is 39 years old and Khatija Sabi is 42, giving them an age gap of 3 years. Number 4. John Cena. John Cena's wife is Shea Shariazadi. They got married on October 12, 2020 and have been together for 5 years. In 2024, John Cena is 47 years old while Shea Shariazadi is 35, creating a 12-year age difference. Number 5. Sheamus. Sheamus' wife is Isabella Rivera. They were married on October 28, 2022. The couple has been together for 2 years. As of 2024, Sheamus is 46 years old and Isabella Rivera is 28, with an age gap of 18 years. Number 6. Ricochet. Ricochet is engaged to Samantha Irvin. They got engaged on January 10, 2023 and have been together for 1 year. Both Ricochet and Samantha are 35 years old in 2024 with an age gap of just 3 months. Number 7. AJ Styles. AJ Styles' wife is Mandy Rose. They were married on August 5, 2002 and have enjoyed 24 years together. In 2024, AJ Styles is 47 years old while Mandy Jones is 45, resulting in a 2-year age gap. Number 8. Randy Orton. Randy Orton's wife is Kim Mary Kessler. They were wed on November 14, 2015. The couple has been together for 10 years. As of 2024, Randy Orton is 44 years old and Kim Mary Kessler is 39, with an age gap of 5 years. Number 9. Jimmy Uso. Jimmy Uso's wife is Naomi. They were married on January 16, 2014 and have been together for a decade. In 2024, Jimmy Uso is 38 years old while Naomi is 36, resulting in a 2-year age difference. Number 10. Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns is married to Galina Becker. They tied the knot on December 6, 2014 and have been together for 10 years. As of 2024, Roman Reigns is 39 years old and Galina Becker is 37, with a 2-year age gap between them. Number 11. Cody Rhodes. Cody Rhodes' wife is Brandi Rhodes. They got married on September 12, 2013. The couple has been together for 11 years. As of 2024, Cody Rhodes is 39 years old, while Brandi Rhodes is 41, giving them an age gap of 2 years. Number 12. CM Punk. CM Punk's wife is AJ Mendes. They tied the knot on June 13, 2014 and have been together for 10 years. In 2024, CM Punk is 45 years old while AJ Mendes is 37, with an 8-year age difference between them. Number 13. Solo Sikoa. Solo Sikoa's wife is Almia Williams. They married on March 1, 2023. The couple has been together for 1 year. As of 2024, Solo Sikoa is 31 years old and Almia Williams is 32, with an age gap of 1 year. Number 14. Drew McIntyre. Drew McIntyre's wife is Caitlin Forham Fell. They got married on December 10, 2016. The couple has been together for 7 years. In 2024, Drew McIntyre is 39 years old while Caitlin Forham Fell is 33, resulting in a 6 years age difference. Number 15. Brock Lesnar. Brock Lesnar's wife is Sable. They were married on May 6, 2006. The couple has been together for 18 years. As of 2024, Brock Lesnar is 46 years old and Sable is 56, creating a 10-year age gap. Number 16. The Undertaker. The Undertaker's wife is Michelle McCool. They tied the knot on June 26, 2010 and have been together for 14 years. In 2024, The Undertaker is 59 years old while Michelle McCool is 44 with a 15-year age gap. Number 17. Ric Flair. Ric Flair's wife is Wendy Barlow. They were married on September 12, 2018. The couple has been together for 7 years. As of 2024, Ric Flair is 75 years old and Wendy Barlow is 65, giving them an age gap of 10 years. Number 18. Triple H. Triple H's wife is Stephanie McMahon. They got married on October 25, 2003. The couple has been together for 21 years. In 2024, Triple H is 54 years old while Stephanie McMahon is 47, resulting in a 7 years age difference. Number 19. Goldberg. Goldberg's wife is Wanda Ferraton. They were married on April 10, 2005. The couple has been together for 19 years. As of 2024, Goldberg is 57 years old and Wanda Ferraton is 54 with an age gap of 3 years. Number 20. Sasha Banks. Sasha Banks' husband is Sarah Dawn. They got married on August 4, 2016. The couple has been together for 9 years. In 2024, Sasha Banks is 32 years old while Sarah Dawn is 41, creating a 9-year age difference. Number 21. Trish Stratus. Trish Stratus' husband is Ron Fizzico. They tied the knot on September 30, 2006 and have been together for 18 years. As of 2024, Trish Stratus is 48 years old and Ron Fizzico is 49, with a 1-year age gap between them. Number 22. Stone Cold. Stone Cold's wife is Kristen Austin. They got married on April 10, 2009. The couple has been together for 15 years. In 2024, Stone Cold is 59 years old while Kristen Austin is 44, with a 15-year age difference. Number 23. The Rock. The Rock's wife is Laureen Hessian. They tied the knot on August 18, 2019 and have been together for 6 years. As of 2024, The Rock is 52 years old and Laureen Hessian is 39, creating a 13-year age gap. Number 24. Kurt Angle. Kurt Angle's wife is Giovanna Iannotti. They got married on July 20, 2012. The couple has been together for 12 years. In 2024, Kurt Angle is 55 years old while Giovanna Iannotti is 37, resulting in an 18-year age difference. Number 25. Shawn Michaels. Shawn Michaels' wife is Rebecca Hickenbottom. They were married on March 31, 1999. The couple has been together for 25 years. As of 2024, Shawn Michaels is 58 years old and Rebecca Hickenbottom is 51, with a 7-year age gap. Number 26. Luke Harper. Luke Harper's wife is Sandy Sain. They got married on February 24, 2011. The couple has been together for 9 years. In 2024, Luke Harper is 41 years old while Sydney Sain is 38, creating a 3-year age difference. Number 27. Brevette. Brevette's wife is Samantha Rotunda. They were married on February 16, 2012. The couple has been together for 12 years. As of 2024, Brevette is 36 years old and Samantha Rotunda is 32, with a 4-year age gap between them. Number 28. Braun Strowman. Braun Strowman's wife is Raquel Rodriguez. They got engaged on January 12, 2022. The couple has been together for 2 years. In 2024, Braun Strowman is 40 years old while Raquel Rodriguez is 33, resulting in a 7-year age difference. Number 29. Hulk Hogan. Hulk Hogan's wife is Sky Daly. They were married on September 22, 2023. The couple has been together for 1 year. As of 2024, Hulk Hogan is 70 years old and Sky Daly is 45, giving them an age gap of 25 years. Number 30. Nikki Bella. Nikki Bella's husband is Artem Chigvantsev. They got married on August 26, 2022. The couple has been together for 2 years. In 2024, Nikki Bella is 40 years old while Artem Chigvantsev is 42, creating a 2-year age difference. Number 31. Edge. Edge's wife is Beth Phoenix. They were married on October 30, 2016. The couple has been together for 8 years. As of 2024, Edge is 50 years old while Beth Phoenix is 43, resulting in a 7-year age gap. Number 32. Vince McMahon. Vince McMahon's wife is Linda McMahon. They tied the knot on August 26, 1966 and have been together for 58 years. In 2024, Vince McMahon is 78 years old while Linda McMahon is 75, with a 3-year age difference between them. Number 33. Finn Balor. Finn Balor's wife is Vero Rodriguez. They got married on August 19, 2019. The couple has been together for 6 years. As of 2024, Finn Balor is 42 years old and Vero Rodriguez is 37, resulting in a 5-year age gap. Number 34. Gunther. Gunther's wife is Jenny. They married on December 18, 2023. The couple has been together for less than a year. As of 2024, Gunther is 36 years old while Jenny is 34, creating a 2-year age difference. Number 35. Montez Ford. Montez Ford's wife is Bianca Belair. They were married on June 23, 2018. The couple has been together for 7 years. As of 2024, Montez Ford is 34 years old while Bianca Belair is 35, resulting in a 1-year age gap. Number 36. The Great Khali. The Great Khali's wife is Harminder Kaur. They got married on February 27, 2002. The couple has been together for 22 years. In 2024, the Great Khali is 51 years old while Harminder Kaur is 53, with a 2 years age gap. Number 37. Daniel Bryan. Daniel Bryan's wife is Brie Garcia. They were married on April 11, 2014. The couple has been together for 10 years. As of 2024, Daniel Bryan is 43 years old and Brie Garcia is 40, resulting in a 3-year age gap. Number 38. Rey Mysterio. Rey Mysterio's wife is Angie Gutierrez. They tied the knot on May 11, 1996 and have been together for 28 years. In 2024, Rey Mysterio is 49 years old while Angie Gutierrez is 51, creating a 2-year age difference. Number 39. Dominic Mysterio. Dominic Mysterio's wife is Mary Juliet. They got married on March 6, 2024. The couple has been together for a few months. As of 2024, Dominic Mysterio is 27 years old and Mary Juliet is 26, with a 1-year age gap. Number 40. Kofi Kingston. Kofi Kingston's wife is Corey Campbell. They were married on September 11, 2010. The couple has been together for 14 years. In 2024, Kofi Kingston is 42 years old while Corey Campbell is 38, resulting in a 4-year age difference. Number 41. The Miz. The Miz's wife is Maryse Ouellette. They got married on February 20, 2014. The couple has been together for 10 years. As of 2024, The Miz is 43 years old and Maryse Ouellette is 41, with a 2-year age gap. Number 42. Karrion Kross. Karrion Kross' wife is Scarlett Bordeaux. They were married on April 12, 2022. The couple has been together for 3 years. In 2024, Karrion Kross is 38 years old, while Scarlett Bordeaux is 33, resulting in a 5-year age difference. Number 43. Dean Ambrose. Dean Ambrose's wife is Renee Paquette. They tied the knot on April 9, 2017. The couple has been together for 7 years. As of 2024, both Dean Ambrose and Renee Paquette is 38 years old, with only 2-month age difference. Number 44. Ken. Ken's wife is Crystal Morisa Coyne. They got married on August 23, 1995. The couple has been together for 29 years. In 2024, Ken is 57 years old, while Crystal Morisa Coyne is 49, creating a 8-year age gap. Number 45. Baron Corbin. Baron Corbin's wife is Rochelle Roman. They were married on April 29, 2017. The couple has been together for 8 years. As of 2024, Baron Corbin is 39 years old, while Rochelle Roman is 33, resulting in a 6-year age difference. Number 46. Jey Uso. Jey Uso's wife is Takeshia Towers. They got married on January 8, 2015. The couple has been together for 9 years. In 2024, Jey Uso is 38 years old, while Takeshia Towers is 40, with a 2-year age gap. Number 47. Chris Jericho. Chris Jericho's wife is Jessica Lockhart. They were married on July 30, 2000. The couple has been together for 24 years. As of 2024, Chris Jericho is 53 years old and Jessica Lockhart is 50, resulting in a 3-year age difference. Number 48. Ronda Rousey. Ronda Rousey's husband is Tavis Brown. They got married on August 28, 2017. The couple has been together for 6 years. As of 2024, Ronda Rousey is 37 years old, while Tavis Brown is 42, with a 5-year age gap. Number 49. Alexa Bliss. Alexa Bliss' husband is Ryan Cabrera. They were married on April 9, 2022. The couple has been together for 2 years. In 2024, Alexa Bliss is 33 years old and Ryan Cabrera is 42, creating a 9-year age difference. Number 50. Natalya. Natalya's husband is Tyson Kidd. They tied the knot on June 26, 2013. The couple has been together for 11 years. As of 2024, Natalya is 42 years old, while Tyson Kidd is 44, resulting in a 2-year age gap. Number 51. Rhea Ripley. Rhea Ripley's husband is Buddy Matthews. They got married on June 23, 2024. The couple has been together for just a month. As of 2024, Rhea Ripley is 27 years old, while Buddy Matthews is 35, with an 8-year age difference. Number 52. Chad Gable. Chad Gable's wife is Christy Betts. They were married on June 9, 2011. The couple has been together for 14 years. In 2024, Chad Gable is 38 years old, while Christy Betts is 34, resulting in a 4-year age gap. Number 53. Malachi Black. Malachi Black's wife is Zelina Vega. They got married on November 14, 2018. The couple has been together for 5 years. As of 2024, Malachi Black is 39 years old, while Zelina Vega is 33, creating a 6-year age difference. Number 54. Carmella. Carmella's husband is Corey Graves. They were married on April 7, 2022. The couple has been together for 2 years. As of 2024, Carmella is 36 years old and Corey Graves is 40, resulting in a 4-year age difference. Number 55. Jason Jordan. Jason Jordan's wife is April Elizabeth. They got married on March 17, 2017. The couple has been together for 7 years. In 2024, Jason Jordan is 35 years old, while April Elizabeth is 33, creating a 2-year age difference. Number 56. Jeff Hardy. Jeff Hardy's wife is Beth Britt. They tied the knot on March 9, 2011. The couple has been together for 13 years. As of 2024, Jeff Hardy is 46 years old, while Beth Britt is 45, with a 1-year age gap. Number 57. Matt Hardy. Matt Hardy's wife is Rebe Sky. They got married on October 5, 2013. The couple has been together for 11 years. In 2024, Matt Hardy is 49 years old, while Rebe Sky is 38, creating an 11-year age difference. Number 58. R-Truth. R-Truth's wife is Pamela Rose. They tied the knot on April 7, 2011. The couple has been together for 13 years. As of 2024, R-Truth is 52 years old while Pamela Rose is 45, resulting in a 7 years age gap. Number 59. Mia Yim. Mia Yim's husband is Cassie. They got married on February 6, 2022. The couple has been together for 2 years. In 2024, Mia Yim is 35 years old while Cassie is 39 with a 4-year age difference. Number 16. Jack Swagger. Jack Swagger's wife is Catalina White. They were married on December 13, 2010. The couple has been together for 14 years. As of 2024, Jack Swagger is 42 years old while Catalina White is 38. Number 61. Rikishi. Rikishi's wife is Talisua Fatu. They tied the knot on July 20, 1985. The couple has been together for 39 years. In 2024, Rikishi is 58 years old, while Talisua Fatu is 55, creating a 3-year age difference. Number 62. Chelsea Green. Chelsea Green's husband is Matthew Cardona. They were married on December 31, 2021. The couple has been together for 2 years. As of 2024, Chelsea Green is 33 years old and Matthew Cardona is 39, resulting in a 6-year age gap. Number 63. Bronson Reed. Bronson Reed's wife is Paige Haley. They got married on December 6, 2027. The couple has been together for 8 years. In 2024, Bronson Reed is 35 years old while Paige Haley is 33, creating a 2-year age difference. Number 64. Nick Aldis. Nick Aldis' wife is Mickie James. They got married on December 31, 2015. The couple has been together for 9 years. In 2024, Nick Aldis is 37 years old while Mickie James is 44, resulting in a 7-year age difference. Number 65. Bret Hart. Bret Hart's wife is Stephanie Washington. They tied the knot on July 24, 2010. The couple has been together for 14 years. As of 2024, Bret Hart is 67 years old while Stephanie Washington is 41, resulting in a 26 years age gap. I hope you enjoyed this video. To watch more videos like this, hit the bell icon and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Wrestle Series Comparison. See you in the next video. Stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.